A person starts smoking, thinking it is harmless and relaxing.
Smoke enters mouth carrying thousands of harmful toxic chemicals inside. Toxic smoke travels down throat, reaching sensitive lung tissues quickly. The lungs begin darkening as harmful substances accumulate over time.
Tiny lung hairs become damaged, losing ability to clean toxins.
Mucus builds up, causing coughing and difficulty breathing. Normally daily. Oxygen levels decrease, making body organs receive less vital oxygen.
Heart works harder, increasing risk of serious cardiovascular diseases later. Blood vessels narrow, reducing circulation and damaging body tissues gradually.
Nicotine reaches brain quickly, causing addiction and temporary pleasure feelings.
Addiction forms, making person crave cigarettes again and again daily. Over time, lungs become severely damaged, losing function and elasticity. Breathing becomes harder, with frequent coughing and chest discomfort daily. Cells begin changing abnormally, increasing risk of dangerous lung cancer development. Smoking greatly increases chances of heart attacks and strokes suddenly. Energy levels drop, making daily activities feel exhausting and difficult. Skin ages faster, causing wrinkles and unhealthy appearance over time. I can't ignore the damage anymore. It's time I seriously think about quitting smoking. Quitting smoking allows the body to slowly heal and recover function.
Healthy choices help lungs improve, bringing better life and longer future.